What is GST and IGST refund in export? Under India's GST regime, exports of goods or services are treated as zero-rated supplies. This means exporters are eligible to claim refunds of the GST, IGST paid on goods or services used in the export process. The aim is to ensure tax does not become a cost for exporters and to promote international competitiveness. Two ways to export under GST. Exporters can choose between two options for claiming refund under GST. 1. Export with payment of IGST. 2. Export under bond, loot, without payment of GST and IGST. Option 1. Export with payment of GST and IGST. The exporter pays IGST at the time of export and later claims a refund of the IGST paid. This is a popular method for those who want faster refunds, especially for goods. The refund is generally processed automatically based on matching of shipping bill and GST returns, GSTR1 and GSTR3B. Applicable for export of goods or services. Refund type: GST and IGST paid on export is refunded. No need to file separate refund application in most cases on GST portal. Option 2. Export under bond, loot, letter of undertaking. In this method, exporters do not pay GST and IGST on exports. They must file a loot, letter of undertaking, with the GST department. Refund can then be claimed on unutilized input tax credit, ITC, used for making zero-rated supplies. Applicable for export without payment of tax. Refund type: unutilized ITC refund. Must submit refund application in form GSTRFDO1. What can be refunded? GST and IGST paid on exports. In option 1, unutilized input tax credit, ITC, on inputs, input services used in exports. In option 2, GST paid on services like freight, warehousing, or other export-related services, if not claimed under loot. Key conditions and documents required: shipping bill, for goods exports, invoice and export declarations, GST returns, GSTR1, GSTR3B, FIRC, BRC for export of services, foreign inward remittance certificate, bank realization certificate, LUT, bond, if applicable. Time limit to claim refund. Refund must be claimed within 2 years from the relevant date, date of export or payment receipt, as applicable. Important notes: exporters must ensure proper matching of invoices in GST returns and customs data. Delays may happen if there are mismatches in data or errors in shipping bills, GSTR filings. Refunds are processed through GST portal.